So here need to create some GitHub account. I will go with only GitHub account. So github.com is enough, not require any command prompt. So need to create one GitHub account. Here there is a sign up, and there what I will do is I will go with my code Raja at the rate of gmail.com, and there I will go with my password. Here you could see there is a password which I mentioned, and then I will go with my code Raja. This is my Git account username, and which I mentioned very clearly. Hit enter. Just authenticate with images, and now I will go with visual puzzle itself, and we need to rotate that puzzle and then go submit, and the puzzle has been qualified. And now we could see we will get something uh, some code over there, and I will go to my mail ID. Here do refresh over there, and here it is. So then let's we check it out. Started, which means this is my mail ID itself. My code Raja is there. Yeah. So now we could see my code Raja say mail ID which we are using. My code Raja, and here it is. I will go with my code Raja. We didn't get that one now. We will recheck once. Yeah, do refresh over here, and what I will do is I will customize these settings with comfortable, or do go with compact. Now we could see here we had something kind of okay, let me check out whether the mail came into the spamming, or there is a kind of import. We didn't get that one. Just we will check it out our mail ID. Now you could see, go to the verify number, reset the code. So here you could see my code Raja, and I sent email was sent over there, and now here it is. You could see my code Raja. What happened? My code Raja is there. My code Raja. I will do copy this one. Please come to this account, update your mail ID. If it had any kind of issues, I will copy paste one, and again I will insert some password over there, and here I will use my code Raja is there, and hit continue. We will authenticate some images, visualize the puzzle, and just do rotate that one, and here you could see, yeah, perfect, and submit over there. Now we qualified that one, and then it will send my code Raja at Gmail. We will get something password over there. Go over there. Here you could see launch the code. So I will copy this code over there because it will take okay, I will copy perfectly and copy that one. Go to mail ID. Here you could see we had some mail ID, and here you could see. So whatever mail ID and password we used, we have to use that one. So my code Raja at the rate of gmail.com, and password would be I will define over here. Hit enter. Now that the GitHub account has been created successfully, here you could see this is the portfolio panel. So here you can find out multiple kind of options over there, and then this is our my code Raja profile link is there. Moreover, here there is no repository set. because we created newer account. And here you could see